Hello everyone, I am Akhilesh Mali. Welcome to this demonstration of my image editor and color picker application developed using native Win32 SDK and component object model. This video showcases the core features like image processing effects and color picking functionality. The text image is prompting us to register first. The file menu is visible at the top, but you will notice the open file option is currently disabled. Let's navigate to the edit menu and first register the user. So registration window appears with three text fields for entering first name, last name, and middle name. The registration form implements spot validation. So let me demonstrate that using invalid inputs. You can see the text labels below each field to remain red, indicating invalid input, and the register button disabled. Now that I have removed all the non-alphabetic characters, I have registered it. Let's check the About dialog box. It contains a logo and information. Now let's load an image using File, Open File. The standard Windows File dialog appears, which allows us to select an image file. So after selection, you can see the image is loaded, which is properly scaled and stretched to fit our window. Let's explore the image color picker functionality. So when I click on different areas of image, you can see the RGB values displayed in the text boxes. These values show the exact color information at each pixel location. Now I have checked the export pick color from log file checkbox. It will record all the color selections in a log file. So let me pick several more colors. Now let's check the export pick color normalized checkbox. This creates a separate log file with normalized RGB values between 0 to 1. This is particularly useful for OpenGL. Now let's load another image to check the image effects. Let's check the radio box of image effects. So I have applied the desaturation effect first. The desaturation effect will convert the color image to grayscale by removing the saturation present in the color saturation. You can see the effect is applied pixel by pixel, and GDI is used, which is graphics device interface. So desaturation basically averages the RGB values for each pixel, creating a grayscale representation where all the color information is removed, but brightness variations are preserved. This is commonly used to create a more classic mood in images. So the effect is applied. Let's reset the image and apply sepia effect. I fast forwarded the effect. Sepia is basically it converts pixels to specific shades of brown while maintaining the brightness variations. You can see the transformations happening pixel by pixel again. It creates a vintage and nostalgic type of effect. Okay, so um, let's reset the image and load new image to apply negative effect. Okay, finally let's try the negative effect. I have fast forwarded the effect. This effect inverts all the colors in the image. So each RGB color component is like subtracted from 255 to produce its opposite value. You can see the colors being inverted across the entire image. Like previous effects, it is happening pixel by pixel. Okay, so let's reset the image and check. Okay, so now let's close the window and check the log files which are created. So three log files are created which follow a naming convention which have the first name and last name. So first is the user log file which contains the details of user actions. Then the pick color log which has the pick colors and the RGB values and the normalized have values. Thank you. Pick color